Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
In this episode, I will show you the 3 best NZXT PC cases. Let's get started. On number 1 we have NZXT H5 Elite PC case. Comes with 2 pre-installed 140mm RGB fans and RGB controller for customizable lighting. Tempered glass panels show it all off. An angled 120mm and draws air from below the case to provide direct cooling for your power-hungry graphics card. Up to 280mm radiator support in the front, 240mm up top, and 120mm in the rear. Fits up to 6 fans, including the dedicated GPU fan. Fits most NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series graphics cards with its 365mm max GPU clearance. Display your GPU vertically using the NZXT Vertical GPU Mounting Kit. On number 2 we have NZXT H210 case. The smallest H series case, the H210 and H210Y come in at a slim 27 liters but give up nothing. The full tempered glass showcases your mini IDX build with glorious clarity, and the front mounting bracket allows installation of radiators up to 240mm. Supporting both SFX and ATX power supplies and front USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C, you don't need to make any compromises with this build. With a USB 3.1 Gen compatible USB-C connector on the front panel, it's easier than ever to connect smartphones, high-speed external storage, or the latest peripherals to your PC. Cable management can often take more time than assembly. We designed a cable routing kit with pre-installed channels and straps for intuitive and easy wiring. On number 3 we have NZXT H7 case. The new H7 is here to make building easy, simple, and fun. Designed for those who want a sleek, minimalist case that can fit into numerous setups. The H7 features improved thermals along with improved cable management and more space with room for up to 3 140mm fans in the front panel. The all-white H7 provides a versatile canvas to showcase your style with clear glass panels. Also available in all black and white and black. High-quality cooling right out of the box with included fans. The top and front panels support radiators of up to 360mm for maximum cooling. So these are some of the best NZXT PC cases to buy in 2023. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for future updates.